Are you tired of saying the word very all the time? Very good, very big, very tired. It's a useful word, but let's be honest, it can get a little boring. Using it too much can make our language sound flat and less exciting. So today, we're going to level up your vocabulary. I am sharing 10 powerful and dynamic words you can use instead of very to make your speech and writing more precise and impressive. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have extremely. Instead of saying something is very cold, you can say it's extremely cold. This word really emphasizes the intensity. Next is exceptionally. This one is perfect when you want to highlight that something is unusual or stands out from the rest. For example, she is an exceptionally talented musician. Number 3 is tremendously. This is a fantastic word to express immense scale or a huge amount of change. You could say the project's success has grown tremendously. Our fourth alternative is extraordinarily. Use this when something is way beyond the ordinary. For instance, he has an extraordinarily sharp memory. Fifth, we have remarkably. This word suggests something is so special it's worth talking about. Imagine saying the view from the mountain was remarkably beautiful. It just paints a better picture, doesn't it? Number 6 is highly. This is often paired with words of praise or respect. A great example is, she is a highly respected expert in her field. 7th on our list is greatly. This word emphasizes the degree or extent of something. For example, I greatly appreciate your support. For feelings and emotions, our 8th word, deeply, is perfect. Instead of very sad, you could say deeply moved or deeply concerned. It adds a layer of emotional depth. 9th is absolutely. This word means completely or totally. It's often used with adjectives that can't be graded, like perfect or impossible. For instance, the meal was absolutely delicious. And finally, number 10 is truly. This adds a wonderful sense of sincerity and truth to your statement. You might say, this is a truly magnificent work of art. So there you have it, 10 powerful alternatives to very. Start using them today and watch how your communication transforms. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.